To disallow an app to access your music and other media files on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Find the required app. As the example, we will try with Samsung Internet app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. Long tap the app icon. And then tap the app info icon. Under privacy section, tap permission. Tap music and audio. And then select don't allow. With this setting, the selected app, in this case Samsung Internet app, will not be allowed to access music and other media files on your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.